Pulled from the ruins in Kathmandu 5 days after the earthquake, a survivor against the odds. 15-year-old Pemba had been trapped in a small void between a metal sheet and a motorbike. He drank rainwater trickling down through the rubble and somehow escaped unhurt. The rescuers and watching crowd jubilant. Quiet but calm, still covered in dust, Pemba was taken to a military field hospital across the city. Our 5 News team were the first journalists allowed in to see him. I asked Pemba what he could remember of his ordeal. He told me, "I'd been having my lunch when the building started to shake. I ran, but everything fell on me. The whole building fell on me. I was scared at the beginning, and later I didn't know if I was alive or dead. I stayed silent, waiting. I could move a little and I could hear the bulldozer. Then I saw people digging towards me, trying to move stones, and I saw light." Israeli medics flown in for the aid effort have checked and x-rayed Pemba and are amazed at how well he's doing. They'd expected to be treating someone critically ill.
He's dehydrated, missing some vitamins, that kind of issue. But again, nothing, no major injury, no major ailment of any sort.
He didn't seem to have any major cuts, lacerations,
No.
Nothing's going to have to be amputated.
No,
I mean,
no,
this
none
boy
of that.
is just...
It's a miracle.
You would say it's a miracle?
I would for sure say it's a miracle.
And at the spot where that miracle happened, search teams are still working through the rubble. Being here and looking at this with your own eyes, it's impossible to comprehend how anyone could have survived, let alone survived for so long. And of course, Pemba was taken out of here with seemingly no injuries. Those involved in the rescue say Pemba's age probably played a part in his survival here.
His age being 15, they're resilient. Kids are resilient, you know, so that benefited him as well. And then the local rescuers here did a great job with their tactics to get him out of there safely.
And what's it been like, though, for the people involved to actually have this happy ending?
Yeah, it was great to be part of it and, you know, see all the work that's gone into it, the recovery and the rescues that are taking place here.
And Pemba's story gives renewed hope of more rescues. A life saved where so many have been lost. Peter Lane, 5 News, Kathmandu.